It's a new 2023 Cadillac XT5. The distinctive exterior lends itself to more balance on the road and greater space inside, while the engine delivers excitement behind the wheel. And it comes with all the amenities you need. Intercooled turbo V6 engine, gas pressurized shocks, integrated navigation system with voice activation, Wi-Fi hotspot, front heated leather bucket seats, automatic parking sensors, streaming audio, memory exterior door mirror settings, dual zone climate control, streaming video feed rear view mirror, and automatic transmission. To achieve greatness, one must dare to be great. Shape your world in a Cadillac. Someone's going to drive this fantastic vehicle off the lot. Should be you. Test drive it today. Call us today at 813-565-0061.